Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use DALL-E free an image generator on your mobile. So once you have ChatGPT on your phone, just open it up. Then you will be able to choose your ChatGPT 4, 3.5 and so on and so forth. Now DALL-E will be found when you toggle on at the top left corner those two lines right there. Click on those. And now you will be able to go ahead and explore GPTs. So click on that. Now, once you are here, you click on search and enter DALL-E. Just wait a little bit for it to load up. And here is DALL-E. You just click on it and start a chat. And now you just enter what you want to get generated. So, for example, give me get an astronaut costume on the Mars planet. Maybe something like so. And now we need to wait for it to create an image. And here you have it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.